Hi, I'm David with RapidMaterials. Today I'd like to talk to you about the S-5-U and S-5-V clamps. A question I am frequently asked is why the S-5-V is so much cheaper than the S-5-U, and why would I want to use it? To answer the question, let's compare the two parts. The S-5-U uses slightly more material, but the biggest difference is that the S-5-U also has threaded holes on the top and both sides, quite a few of them in fact. This gives the S-5-U a universal fitment, but drilling and tapping all those holes costs money. On the other hand, the S-5-V only has mounting holes on top with set screws on one side. This does limit the S-5-V to a single application, usually a double lock standing seam, but it's far more cost effective for that application. Both the S-5-V and the S-5-U are supplied with two stainless steel set screws and one hex bolt. Note that S-5 also has a solution for single lock panels, the S-5H90. We'll talk about that another time. Another question I usually hear is, because the S-5-V is cheaper, does it perform as well as the S-5-U? The answer is a resounding yes. In testing, the S-5-V is proven to be as strong as the S-5-U and at a significantly lower cost. For more information about these two clamps and the entire S-5 line, visit us at RapidMaterials.com.